today's video will be on day in the life of a work from home mom, and I'll just be giving you a preview of what happens in my day today, generally sometimes. Yeah, so here we go. Right now it's around 6:30 a.m. and we're up. So here we go. So we normally chill a little bit first in the bed, so yes, before we get up and we go outside. But I want an early start this morning, so we're gonna just get ready now to go on the outside. Want to coffee diaper? For making me and watching me grow, baby. Ball. Baby. Ball. Yes. Yeah. And it's you, I can say no. Oh. Oi. Oh, ease your body. Ease your body. I thought you were going in for a poo there. I have to scramble for the receiver. I had such an intense dream last night, baby girl. We feel every emotion I feel last night, and you are in there as well too. It was quite the interesting dream. I feel like I've been thinking and talking about release as of late. So wait, you don't want to hear my boring lecture? I just have to change her because she's not keeping still. So if I run her down, unless I put on Miss Rachel, she's not gonna like. Yes. I'm trying to change you. So it's getting pretty late. It's basically 7 o'clock now. So we're gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna cut a piece of melon for her, and we're gonna head outside for like maybe 20-25 minutes or so, and then come inside, and then we're gonna get ready up the day and stuff for work. I have to go on the road early this morning to get some groceries and stuff because we sort of ran out of like basic stuff or needed everyday stuff, so we're gonna get that today. Come, baby. Alright, let's go. I never did my face routine last night. It's actually a nice little environment, for her to play, because you see like the beach in the background down there, and like once the place fix up on them something, it's gonna be like a beautiful place for certain. Oh my word, Ocean. That major still, I forgot I was gonna stop doing that. When I want to call your name and it sound like I'm annoyed with you, because I'm not. You looking at the dog eating? You want to go on the ground? You want to go on the ground, baby girl? Give mommy the melon. Can I have the melon? Yes, there's a space. Come. Come, my deep thinker. Wait. I got it. I'll put it up on the ground. And drop. Oh, no. Come, I'm gonna get a different piece. My favorite part about down here is really the atmosphere. You have the banana trees, you have the trees, you have the fresh air sometimes, you know, and it can be quiet. So, yeah. You beating the drum? I beat the drum. She loves knocking, like tapping things. I think Miss Rachel kind of taught her. If you see our grandmother, you see our grandmother up this one.
And this morning, me come and me kiss grandma. Kiss grandma.
Alright, we're going down the road for like 5 minutes. Go pick up something. She love drive out, so I'm gonna bring her. By the way, guys, if you want scallion, let me know. Sell them by the hundreds of pounds.
Papa, one land card.
Scallion bed.
Huh?
You going, baby girl? Alright, so we're back home now. So we're back on the inside, back home, and I am gonna go and get ready for work. So I gotta go for real now because I have quite a few things to do and I have to go on the road to get some groceries. So yeah, she does that when she wants to go on the floor. By the way, it's after 8 and I'm still here with her. So I'm gonna tidy up my room right now and see if I can start, my day, because I have a myriad of things to do as usual. Oh, in case you're wondering where Ocean is, she's downstairs with her grandmother and I'm trying to start work by like 9:30. Let's see how possible that's gonna be. Okay, so I'm finished kind of just lightening up the space in my room now, so I'm gonna brush my teeth, take a quick wash off and get ready for work. Right now it's now, oh god, it's now 8:42 and so I may be on my way to starting by 9:30 or before. So I just finished taking a quick wash off and I'm gonna just get my baby stuff ready for her bath and then I'm gonna head to work. So over there is where I keep her everyday stuff, because sometimes, honestly, because I have a lot of things to do, I don't always find the time to like fold her laundry anymore. So I just keep a little trunk where her everyday stuff in, like her towel, her receiver, her yard clothes and things like that, so I don't have to be just go in there and dig it up. So because I don't have the time to be folding it as much as I used to. And you know, we wash her clothes pretty often as well, because she changes sometimes like 3-4 times a day. So yeah, may not have time for that right now. I use my emails a lot of the times to determine my to-do list. So I'm checking my emails now, and you know, be my to-do list. A lot of the things on my, a lot of the tasks on my to-do list are things from yesterday, because I had a really bad work day yesterday, because I was home pretty much a lot of the times with the baby yesterday. And so I barely get a lot of things done when, you know, I'm home with her, like for majority of the day, home alone with her. And the thing is, it's hard for me to multitask. I don't believe in multitask. It's definitely not a thing. I don't care what you have to say. So yeah, so a lot of the things that I was supposed to do yesterday, I'm gonna be doing it today. But I'm gonna eat breakfast first. Drink this tea and I'm gonna eat breakfast first. So in order for me to actually settle and eat, I have to be distracted. So I have to definitely watch something, because if I don't watch something, I'm gonna be eating and checking my emails, and sometimes that ends up with me reheating the food like 3-4 times. So I have to actually sit, get a distraction by watching something, and yeah, eat my breakfast. So I'm eating banana and oat porridge and watching Family Reunion on Netflix. And I'm hot enough, so I have to go and heat it up. So what I mean, like, this is what I do all the time. So I have to heat this up. I come in again. Finish now, so back to work. So it's 9:52, and that's actually not bad timing. So I'm gonna just kick into high gear now for like an hour or so, and then I will head off to the supermarket. So mommy just put Ocean to sleep a while ago. Let me check. See her there. So I'm still on the phone. I'm on hold for, I'm trying to do a few transactions, some personal stuff with the bank, and I'm on hold. So it's around 11 o'clock now, and I got a few things done. I got a few things done, so I crossed it off of my to-do list. I don't know if you can tell, but my but I'm in a pretty pensive mood. So my energy is a bit low today. I'm not sure if you can notice. It's a Wednesday, by the way. So yeah, I'm just there. Coming back, I'm still on hold on this long call. I think the reason my mood is a bit low today is because I had such a weird dream last night. You ever had one of those dreams that weren't horrible, but just made you feel very tense, like in your sleep? And oh, I think she wake up. I have to talk low because she wake at the sound of my voice. Yeah, some dreams that just make you, I don't know, very tense. And I was just so tense in my dream and very miserable. I did a cuss, I did a fight in my dream last night. And there are sometimes you feel some dreams that makes you feel you don't feel anything in your dreams sometimes, but then there are some that, you know, make you feel some type of way and stuff. And that dream that I had last night or early this morning definitely did impact me in a way where I felt like every single emotion, like I thought it was real. You know, I thought that dream was real, because trust me when I say I felt everything. And I think I woke up this morning morning subconsciously with it on my mind. So yeah, it's weird. Around 11:50 now, and I've been doing some phone stuff, meaning just sending us a few messages, checking emails. I think I'm almost halfway through my to-do list, and I wanted to go on the road now to, as I mentioned, go to the supermarket, but no, Ocean she's sleeping, so I have to wait until she wakes up, and then I will head out with her. I like going on the road with her because she's so fun, and she's got my little handbag, so maybe I'm going. Once I can take her, I will definitely be taking her. I love power with her, man. And she's such a nice, cool, chill baby. I love that. I'm making my supermarket list now. I think my mom bought me food back in the office. Fried chicken, rice and peas. Not really a big fan of fried chicken, but we're all tired, so sometimes this is just a way to. The thing is, where we are, they don't have much variety. You know, country like fried chicken, fried fish, dumpling, whatever, rice and peas. So we're back in office now for real, for real. Lunch was good, booster. So get back to work. You know what? I'm in such a high spirit right now. It's crazy. I don't know why, but it's just so interesting how moods are just like up and down. This morning I was low. Maybe it's just the food that gave me energy a while ago. But yeah, me now I'm in a good mood. Crazy. She would not let go of that boob. It's like 35 minutes of trying to have her let go of that boob. So she's sleeping now. Maybe for another 20 minutes or so, then she'll get up. And then she'll eat something. I will eat something. Hi, honey. Just had to step outside for a breather, you know. We can check to see if she wake up the bike. The thing is about work from home is that tired. Is that it's fun and it's convenient in terms of, even though I sit at my desk for majority of the day, I can get up and I can go outside and take in some nature, some fresh air, you know. And I'm really grateful for that, you know, and I can be at home with baby girl. So just me, I'm tired. I haven't been sleeping any full nights at all since I've had a baby. I have not had a full night, like maybe like one time or two times, if so much, like an all night of sleep. So I haven't slept straight throughout the night since for over a year. Well, she's 1 year. Oh my god, she's 1 year and 1 month now. So I haven't like had a straight sleep throughout the night for a year, for 13 months, put it that way. So I'm tired. If you guys see this and want to sponsor me like a vacation, I'm down for it. Preferably an all-inclusive hotel, you know, where I don't have to lift a finger. So yeah, I mean, that's the thing as well to know. Even if I'm getting a vacation now, I definitely would want my little girl to come with me because I don't want to leave her just yet. So yeah, so if you see this though, like an Ibera Star or something like that, yeah, you can just sponsor me that. Easy 100k, easy $100,000. Yeah man, I have some rich viewers here, so let me know, okay? Alright, so clearly I'm not going on the road yet. She wants to go outside, so we're gonna park outside for like 2 minutes or so. Let me get her ready so we can go supermarkets. Oop! Come, baby girl. No, but see him out, you know. Wait. Finally ready at 10 minutes to 6. Crazy. Finally on the way, huh? To the supermarket that I've been wanting to go from like 12 p.m. It's now 6 p.m. It's crazy. So it's actually my first time shopping down here. So I'm trying to figure out and see what the different costs are like because, as I mentioned, I'm on a budget. That's the amount of money. We're gonna see. We're gonna compare the different costs. Still on the road. 7 o'clock. I was trying to get some food to eat so we wouldn't have to cook, but it seems like we have to end up cooking some food. So yeah, long day. So it's 10 to 8 right now, and I'm gonna attempt to bake these oatmeal cookies. God, go with me, wait. I've never made them before, so I'm gonna try. As I said, you know, she's not really eating much and she likes like biscuits, so I'm trying to like put a lot of, just do some whole a nutrient filled biscuit for her, so she will hopefully eat it. Yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. I'm gonna need this phone to read the directions, so after I put everything in like one pot, and then I'll, you know, show you guys that part. So I'm letting it bake for about 10 minutes. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Right, but at least she will have, if they turn out good, she will have these to eat tomorrow as dry biscuits, and you know, I wouldn't have to be stressing as much because I know that I made it myself and it has the egg and the oats and this and that's in there, right? So now I'm gonna clean up the kitchen because it's an absolute mess, because I was trying to just hurry, and I made Irish for her and she just scattered it all over the floor. It looks nice though, doesn't it? Like one of them soft chewy oatmeal cookies. I'm gonna head upstairs and I'm gonna take a quick shower and decide what I'm gonna do from there. I have some work that I need to complete still, so let's see how that goes, because anytime I'm getting out of bed with Ocean, I fall asleep every single time. All right, friends, I'm gonna take a shower. All right, guys, good night. Good night, good night, good night. Thank you for watching.